I've been here 17 years and there's a reason for that.
Staff is real important to hire the right people.
You're gonna learn a lot. You got great people to learn from.
I don't want to bring someone into the culture that's not a fit. If he passes my interview process, then the technician takes over. He's got to be a fit with them, and it's got to be both ways. Then he can ask that technician anything he wants.
We work on everything. So we are an all-service shop, a little bit different from a dealership that specializes only on Ford or Chevy or Toyota.
When I first opened up, there wasn't computers on a lot of the cars. Now everything's computerized. So the industry's changed a lot. It's more of a cleaner industry, more knowledge, more PC-based. Technician these days has to have a lot of computer skills.
To work for a family-owned business, you're just not a number. You're able to be part of the family. Here, they definitely treat you like family.
It doesn't take long after starting here to build a relationship with other employees around here. Nick especially really takes an interest in your personal life as well as your work life, how things are going. And I felt like it was just going to be a pretty relaxed and good learning environment.
Anything that will help them better their skill set, we're there. We'll help them with anything. We have online training. I send the guys every year to Overland Park Convention Center for vision. There's training there, great training. ASC certifications, if they take those and they pass them, we pay for it. We encourage that. We require 40 hours of training each year. We help with their education.
Training is always offered at all times, and that's where Nick comes in. Everything we need is gotten, and it is nice to have a shop that will do that.
They help you through getting your vehicle inspector's permit, and then as well as your ASC certifications. They'll help your training as far as what you need to know to get those. They provide videos that walk you through all the training.
The benefits, I believe, is mainly knowledge. You gain a lot of knowledge working here.
The environment's good, the shop's air conditioned, tools to do their job and their skills. We provide a good safe work environment. I have a safety company come in and check everything once a year, try to build good leadership. I care about my guys like family. I'll do anything for them. I got a great crew. If they need something, I'm there for them.